part 2 or part 3 of a TRV. I've just took this, split the cup that was underneath. The vented bit of that, it was inside. I've chopped it off. I thought it was a spring, but it's not. There was fluid inside. Cut it open. That's a concertinaed bit of copper. I don't understand the physics of it. Maybe someone could have some answers to all this. They'd be able to put me in how it works. But that's just a concertinaed bit of copper. Inside, it was inside that. There was a sealed unit with some fluid in it that looked like, well, it smelt like alcohol. Acetone. Is that like a nail varnish remover? Well, I spilt it on an old worktop. I got a little bit on my hand. Everything's gone bone dry. So that's what's inside. I need a job. I wonder if that's metal. Yeah, it is. So we can't be scrapping that then. Metal, it's not aluminium. Copper, brass. Yep.